Yes, guys, digital products to sell on Etsy right now. Guys, check this out. Look, I showed this on the last video. I went through this. Look at this one, right? Look at this one, guys. This is called a medical planner. Now, look, digital products, guys. We know that digital planners are a fantastic category to get into. However, you also know that it's becoming really, really saturated. So we need to niche down, guys. So guys, if you do like videos on finding those gems, those little gems of digital products, guys, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell so you can get all the good videos on all of the ones that I'll get you and all the niches to get into today. So guys, here's one that I went through in the last video, which is basically called the medical planner, or I call it the doctor's digital planner. Now, this niche, guys, look, we know the niche is very important. I like to get into a niche which has less than 20k. Now, when I typed in digital doctor's digital planner, there's 1,110 results, which is perfect, guys. I mean, to be honest, anything under 20k, I keep saying it, with listings is good. So this one is one I found that, you know, is quite a new one and is doing quite well. So let me click analysis. Check this out, guys. Look, 444 sales, pretty good. As a new one, don't forget, we're looking at trends and looking at what's new. So, you know, we need to find out what's coming through. I mean, although, look, the listing age is not the newest, yeah, we know this. However, we're able to find trends. So like medical planner, for example, although the volume is not amazing, medical organizer, the volume is not massive. However, they are kind of trending, you know. And that's what you need to look at. You need to look at and see what tags people are using. So, you know, for me, I believe careers is a good way of looking at digital planners. I've said it before, you know, teachers ones are popular. They're more popular than the doctors ones, you know, 10,000, right? And then when you look into it, you'll see some gems. Like, for example, I spoke about this one, which is a fantastic one that is selling crazy amounts, guys. You know, the teacher's planner, this one. And look at how much this one is selling. Look at this. I mean, it's £12. It's selling crazy amounts. Look at this, 2,827, 1,616. That's not too shabby for a month's work for one product, guys, you know. And then again, look, teacher planner is really trend. Look at that trend. 450 volume, but look at the trend. 2023, look at a trend. And you know, we know this. When you start looking at the charts, you see what's trending. Even Good Notes is pretty good. So, you know, I like to use, if you're going to do any kind of research, you've got to do it in a way that you're looking at sub niches, okay? Now, I like to use Everbee, which is a fantastic tool to actually check out and you know, look at and analyze new products that are coming through. You can check it in the link in my description, but you know, you don't have to use it either. I like to do this. I would do different keywords. So, for example, I might do, you know, architect. Let me do architect. I'm going to just do careers, an architect digital planner, right? Am I going to get anything? Yeah, I still will. Look, 75 results. You know, funny enough, I don't think I would, but 75 results. What else can we do? So careers wise, you know, engineer. I'm actually going down the careers route and I will probably still find results. Look, 3 years, one diary, architect's planner, engineering planner, you know, the programming planner, you know. So you could just go down the careers, especially those careers that need to be very organized, like a teacher, like a doctor, you know, especially these kind of public sector ones. They really will need to have some kind of organization. So try and think outside of the box. Try and think of what kind of people would actually need a digital planner. Okay, that's what you have to do, you know. Well-being, and also how people, what they need digital planners for, you know, to track their habits, to look at their well-being, you know, that kind of thing. Well-being ones are also, you know, quite good. Well-being digital planner. Let's see the results of that. I mean, I can imagine that's more. So look at that, 3,000 self-care planners, 3,000 results. That's a good one, right? That's a decent one. And again, you'd have a look and just see which ones, are doing quite well. Self-care planner. Let me just click on this one. This self-care planner. I think I've seen that one before. Let's have a look. Let's just analyze that. A self-care planner, and it's got all the good keywords: anxiety, mindfulness, right? That's a really good niche to get into. Look at this one, guys. That's crazy. Yeah, that is crazy. Look at this one. This one's 2,630. They get a monthly revenue of 5,454. And with digital planners, because it's just a download, this is fantastic profit on this, And then you start looking at this, looking at the chart and seeing what kind of volume they've got. So you can see the volume is good. Gratitude, self-care, self-love, mental health, anxiety, self-care. These are big numbers, a lot of volume here. Look, and if you put these all together, healing. So I can imagine why this person's getting a lot of sales, because if you add up all of those volumes, that's a lot of volume there, right? That's a hell of a lot of volume, and it's got 264 reviews, digital file. Look, that's all it is. Two PDFs, guys. This person is doing amazingly well. But I must say as well, their designs are very nice. They look quite good, where it actually reflects that kind of idea where it's for wellness, well-being, nice imagery, nice handwriting, nice writing, nice good style, but also quite simple. And like I said, it's something that you could do. It's got a nice video there, and something that you could do. Like I said, you go to somewhere like on Canva. I was doing something previously on this one, looking at something, but you just go to digital, like I said, planners. You might even see if there's anything to do with well-being, because you never know, there might be. And if there isn't, it's okay, because you could actually do something yourself, and it's not hard to do. It's just about, actually working with the templates. And then look, you will have some things that are similar. Look, you got a daily self-care template there, self-care planner there. So all you need to do is you look at these, customize. They've actually got a lot of things here already. Look, self-care intentions, questions for myself, personal notes. Look, there's already 5 actual templates there, although it's the pro version, but still, it's amazing, guys. It's fantastic. So this is what I'm saying. You can actually use some of these and quite easily customize them into your own sort of style, your own design. But these things are extremely popular, guys, when you niche down, especially in this kind of anxiety, well-being, self-care, self-love kind of a niche. It's something really it's going to be growing more and more, especially with the focus on well-being and mental health. It's trending, and it's going to grow, much bigger. I could definitely see that. So yeah, definitely check this out, and definitely try and look into this sort of niche, sub niche, should I say. So yeah, well-being, and then obviously the other thing I would say is, once you type in a niche, and not only looking at the results, seeing if it's good, try and see also, these are ranking. Obviously the top ones are Etsy ads, which you don't want to, you don't need to look at these, but look at the ones that are ranking, at the top. This one looks quite good. That girl planner, this one looks like it's doing quite well, and then you see other ones that are doing also quite well. This weekly wellness digital planner, and then, look into it, look a bit deeper. But look, it's all about niching and making sure that the numbers sit right. Okay, this number 3,185 in results is pretty good. And then what you do, you keep typing in different ones. Now we saw a few different ones. Self-care might be, although it's kind of similar, right, to well-being, but again, it's going to have a different volume of people that are searching as well. So you could actually get into just self-care, just as in just into the self-care only category. And look at this. The results are 20,000. I don't mind that. 20K and below is good. And then you'll get ideas for other ones. So look, you got the ADHD digital planner. And when you click on the ADHD digital planner, this looks quite good. Let me see. ADHD for iPad, Good Notes, Android. Let me just very quickly see this one, how it's doing, you know. And you know what it is? You just go down and you see, you know, you might find a gem. Look, there's a gem. 7,689 sales, 14,000 estimated revenue a month. That's crazy. I mean, you know, granted, this one's got a lot of pages. Let me see. And look, ADHD planners and workbooks. The volume is 500, 600, but they're trending. The graph is going up. ADHD organizer, the graph is going up. ADHD. So this is a big trend. ADHD planners is a big trend. And this is what you do, guys. You keep typing in different words. But although this one's looks really good, I mean, I must say it looks pretty professional. You know, they've shown you the images are very clear. And look, I've seen this stuff that you can get in Canva anyway. I've seen this stuff, some of these actual templates in Canva. Like I remember this jar. So what I'm trying to say is, you know, these things are also, you know, used from Canva, which you can quite easily do. You know, you could spend an hour getting all these different sheets done, and literally after that it's passive income where it's just going to sell and sell, and literally that's all you need to do, and you don't need to do anything else. All the profit will be yours. So yeah, guys, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to, you know, search up other things and show you a few other videos, but do check out the videos at the end of this one where I'll give you some more ideas and tips. And guys, remember, if you do like videos like this, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and don't forget to check out my playlist, and also check out all the software and websites I use in the links in my description. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.